Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a foolproof method for growing mouth-wateringly sweet and large melon cantaloupes right in your own backyard. First things first, choose high-quality seeds from a reputable supplier. Look for varieties known for their sweetness and size, like the ambrosia or sweet and early. Next, prepare your soil. Melon cantaloupes thrive in well-draining, fertile soil. Mix in plenty of compost or aged manure to provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. Now, it's time to plant your seeds. Sow them about an inch deep and space them at least 12 inches apart to allow room for growth. Make sure to water them thoroughly after planting. Watering is crucial for melon cantaloupes, especially during hot and dry weather. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mulching around the plants can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. As your plants grow, be sure to provide support for the developing fruits. You can use slings made from old pantyhose or mesh bags to cradle the melons and prevent them from touching the ground. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and cucumber beetles, as well as diseases like powdery mildew. Regularly inspect your plants and take prompt action if you notice any signs of trouble. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, harvest time. A ripe melon cantaloupe should have a sweet aroma and a slight give when pressed at the stem end. Simply cut it from the vine and enjoy. See, growing big and sweet melon cantaloupes is easy when you follow these simple steps. Give it a try in your own garden and taste the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.